Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of the Gardetto's Original Recipe Snack Mix. This is the 14.5 ounce size. This is a zesty snack mix made with crunchy breadsticks, pretzels, and rye chips. A bold taste, irresistible snack with a big bold taste. Stock up your pantry with these to share with friends and family. They're a uniquely delicious taste experience. Now, I've had these many times in my life, and they're very addictive because they're very delicious. And the company's been around for just a long amount of time. And about 150 calories a serving size, about a half a cup. They're really delicious. I'm going to show a close-up of them so you see what it looks like, what's inside the bag. So here's a close-up, and you can see the different combinations of things in there. You have these little round pretzel sticks, you have these little bagel chips, delicious, and these little, I'm not sure what you want to call them, they're like little larger pretzel rods, and then these cute little round pretzels with the traditional shape that pretzels are in. Just a nice blend and absolutely delicious. It's salted perfectly, really delicious. I want to point out also, these are really crunchy. If you listen, I'll eat this piece here. Unbelievably crunchy. Every one of these things has a crunch to them, which makes them really delicious. So what do I think about the Gardetto's Original Recipe Snack Mix, 14.5 ounces? I love this product. They're absolutely delicious, as I showed a close-up of them. They're very addictive, so if you open the bag, you expect to eat a couple servings, I guarantee it. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert you to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.